Hello everyone, this is S.G.M cooking time live here in Switzerland. I'm going to show you I will cook a pasta, and this is my spices: garlic, onions, tomato, green chili, and red paprika. I have here white beans already boiled, and I have here a pasta already boiled, and this one is slice sandwich or like a ham. This is a product of Swiss. Look, this is a chicken and turkey. I have already sliced because I'm going to mix this one together with pasta. And we have here the cooking oil. We have the black pepper, the paprika, red paprika. This is the salt. This is the garlic powder. And I have also here 1 teaspoon of sugar. And I have heard this one. This is a beef powder. So here the pan is ready for cooking. So this is my pan. I'm going to saute the garlic and the onions. Here is the garlic. Then I'm going to add the onions. Here is the onions, guys. This is the onions. I'm using the gloves. So we will saute the garlic and the onions. And we will add these tomatoes here together with this red chili. This is a very quick and easy cooking and very simple ingredients. Look at, guys, this is very easy and very quick. I'm going to add the red paprika. Look. So we will add this slice chicken, or what we call this. We call it Geflügel in Deutsch. In German they call it Geflügel of Snap. This is a mix of chicken and turkey, a product of Switzerland. This is from the Dinner supermarket in the Swiss. So here, we will mix all here. This is very easy, guys, very quick, very easy cooking, and this one is good for 4-person servings. And I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of this beef powder. With the pepper, you can just estimate the quantity of your pepper and paprika. And this is the garlic powder. I will put a little bit of black salt, because this sausage is already salty. Just mix it like this. And then we will mix these beans. Look at here. It is just like this, very simple cooking. The beans is already cooked and boiled. So what, guys? So it is just like that. You can eat this one, you can serve like this without pasta. And you can eat this together with the bread or rice. Look, very easy and very simple. I have here, this one is, because I don't have a grated cheese, I have a sliced cheese, a cheddar cheese. So we will cover for some few minutes. So we will open. Look at here, this is ready to serve. I'm going to add this one, a teaspoon of sugar. And I am going to add this pasta. Look at the pasta here. I'm going to mix it here together, okay? So this is already ready to serve. Just mix it like this, and this is ready to serve. This is good for 4 persons. So guys, this is ready to cook, ready to serve. I'm going to put in the plates. I have here a serving plate. Then I will show you. We will put here in a plate. This one. Okay, let's take some. Look up here. We will put here. So look up, guys. Very, very. So look up here. So now this is our food ready to be served and eat. And I have here the cheese. I am going to put a cheese. This is a sliced cheese, okay? So this is our recipe for today. This is a pasta mixed with sausage, sliced sausage, with the toppings of sliced cheese. This is with paprika, with green chili, and without pasta. And now this is very yummy food to eat, guys. This is all. So thank you for watching and give a thumbs up. Look at this, oh. Very, very yummy food. So you can also top this one with boiled eggs if you want to look more beautiful and add more cheese, okay? So this is all, guys. Thank you for watching and see you again in my next cooking live here in the Swiss.